Hello everyone, welcome to Ants Technology. In today's video, we are going to learn how to clean the TXT region in the BIOS DOM. So we will cover this video in the 3 steps. In the first step, we will learn how to configure your computer for cleaning the TXT region. In the second step, we will learn how to configure your FITC tool. The last step, we will learn how to replacing the SMIP data from your old BIOS to the new one. Cleaning the TXT region 1 and 2nd is the same as we clean the CSME region, but the method of the cleaning TXT 3 and 4 is a little bit different. So let's start the video. First we have to install a software named OpenSSL. So here we have OpenSSL. So my computer is 64-bit, so I will install this 64-bit software. If your computer is 32-bit, you can install this one. So double click on it. I accept the agreement. Next. Here you have to remember this location and next. Click on the install. Okay, now untick this one and click finish. So our OpenSSL software has been installed successfully. Now open this PC. C program, C drive, program files, and here you will see a folder named OpenSSL. So open it. Now open bin folder. Now click on the address bar and copy the address location. Right click and copy. So now just come here the search bar and type CMD. Right click here and open as an administrator. So our command prompt Windows has been opened. We will give the path, type cd 2 dots, enter. Again type cd 2 dots, then enter. And now just paste that path we have copied here and come here and type cd 1 space. Now press enter. So you can see we are in the same location. C program file, OpenSSL and bin. You can see the location is the same. C program file, OpenSSL and bin. Here we will give a command that is OpenSSL.exe space GENRSA 1 space dash out. So we are going to generate a RSA file which we will use later in the cleaning of TXT. So here we have to give the file name. You can give any name. Here I am going to give name ANZ. Extension should be .pem 1 space 2048 and enter. So it is generating the file and file has been generated. Just here you can see in this folder, bin folder, you can see anz.pm file has been generated. So we can close this window, close this. So now we have the BIOS here, TXT BIOS. So first of all, we will see the TXT version of this BIOS. Just drag this BIOS on the ME analyzer. Press enter. And here you can see the TXT version is 3.0.12.1138. So here we have a collection of TXT, CSTXT3 firmware. Open it and now we will search the same firmware. So here you can see 3.0.12.1138. So now we will copy this firmware. Go back and we'll paste here. Okay, now we will open this CSTXT system tool folder and here open flash image tool, open win folder and now click fit.exe. Okay, now click on the file, open, and here we will give the location of our BIOS. So come to your BIOS folder Here is our BIOS. Click here and click open. So BIOS is now loading here. Okay, BIOS has been loaded. Now click on the platform protection. Click here. Go down and here you will see SMIP signing key. Click here. Double click. And here we have to give path of the OpenSSL. So go to computer, C drive and program files, OpenSSL, bin file. Here we will give the path of your files which we have generated earlier. That is anz.pem. Click here and open it. Now click on the build button, build setting. Here generate intermediate files. Click here and set it to no. And here you will see Intel Manifest Extension Utility Path. Click here. And in the CSTXC System Tools folder, you will see a folder named Manifest Extension Utility. Open it, and you will see meu.exe. Choose it and open. And the next signing tool path, click here. And now again give the location of your OpenSSL, my computer, C, program files, OpenSSL, bin, and now we have to select OpenSSL.exe, open. Okay. Now the last step is here, verify manifest signing key against the OEM key manifest. Click here and set it to no. Our fit.exe settings has been done. Now we can close this window and now we will click on the save and the save as. Now we'll save this settings file. You can give any name. I will give settings.xml and click save. So setting files have been saved successfully. Now close this fit tool. And in the flash image tool folder, you will see a folder. Folder came with your BIOS name. That is here you can see. So open this and open the COM folder. Here you will see TXC region of your BIOS, your old BIOS. So right click here, rename and copy the name of this firmware. Go back. So here we have to rename our firmware we have chosen earlier. Here you can see. So right click on it, rename and paste the name TXC region and enter. And now copy this firmware. Go to CSTXC system tool, flash image tool, win Z8P your BIOS folder, the COM folder, and paste that firmware here and replace the file in the destination. So here we are going to replace our old TXC firmware with the new one. So replace. Now our TXC region has been replaced. Go to back. Now we'll open fit exe again. Okay. So now click on the file, click open and choose the settings.xml file which we have saved earlier. Click on it, open. Okay. Now just click on the build and build image and click on yes. It is building the image. It is building image. Okay, so now we can close this fit.exe tool, and here you can see your out image has been come. So this is your clean txt file. Now we will replace the SMIP data. First of all, we will see this BIOS on the ME analyzer. We will check this BIOS on the ME analyzer. Enter and go to up, and you can see the same thing is here, and also you can see here OEM configuration is yes. So that is very important. So OEM configuration should be yes. Everything is same, and you can see the state of this BIOS is configured. So our TXT region has been successfully configured. Now we have to change the SMIP data from your old BIOS. So close it. Go back to your old BIOS. Now drag your old BIOS on the ME analyzer. And type here -dfpt and press enter. Go up. Here you will see SMIP. So go to the up. You will see SMIP, and the location of the SMIP data you can see here. Starting location, starting offsets are this, and the size of this data is here, and you can see the ending offset here. So now just open your old BIOS in the hex editor. Okay, so from here you can change your offset view. My offset view is in the decimal. You can choose it to the hex. I will click on the hex. So here you can see the offset is showing now in the hex value. Now here type the same location, that is we have to type this location. You can copy this. So we have to copy this location. So come here, type 0 0 0 2 0 0. And now press enter. SMIP data is here. So click here, and now click on the edit, select block, and you have to set it on the hex. If you are on the decimal, so just click on the hex, delete all the data here, and now we will give the size. So size is 004 000. So type here 004 000 and OK. So our SMIP data has been selected. So just copy this data, copy, and now minimize it. And now we will open our new BIOS. This out image is our new BIOS. So right click on it and open this file also in the hex editor. SMIP data location is already here. So just click enter. Now click on the edit, select block, and the total size value is already written here. Just click OK. Now the SMIP data has been selected. Just right click here and paste here and click on the paste. So now our SMIP data has been replaced successfully. Save file, save as, and we can give the name of this file cleantxt.bin, save. This is our file, and now you can program this BIOS to your laptop. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can receive my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.